In order to understand the river topography, we first check the water structure of the corresponding location and choose the best fishing spot. There are many river mouths near this location, making it the best parking spot. Then observe the color of the nearby water and find that the water is dark blue, indicating that the shore is a deep water area and is the best fishing spot. In order to judge the emergency situation of this water area, we long pressed the map to measure and found that the nearby altitude error was 0. This water area is a slow-flowing water area, and nest materials are easily scattered and nests are easily concentrated. The last step is to select a specific fishing spot. We open the historical images to see the changes in the nearby water structure. We can see that this water area has had a structure for a long time, which is easy to hide fish, making it an ideal fishing spot. After all the understanding work is completed, long press the interface to make notes and note the characteristics of the location. Click on the mark point before departure to navigate to your destination.